You think of the Monster Dumbbell not as a press.
Yeah, I think of it as a shot put. We don't want to be like actually trying to press it. It's all from the legs. So the more that you can get this to feel like you're floating by just, and then it's following through when you get to that floaty part. So if you're looking at the roof there, always look up where you're pressing, get your hips under. You'll know when you're in the wrong position because it'll fall off. Same as the dumbbell.
Yeah.
So as long as you've got it wedged in tight, down, and following through. So work with the momentum so that way once you feel it start to lift, that's when you throw.
Why are we using a ball?
It's just an easier way to train the power. So that way you're not focusing about pressing a dumbbell or doing anything else. You're trying to teach the legs how to do the work for you. So don't throw it with your hand, throw it with your body. Yeah. See how like you kind of feel that timing there with it?
Yeah.
Now if you do it a couple of more times, you'll feel yourself get faster. And then the idea is speed and intensity rather than strength. Yeah. And you feel the ones where they're good and the ones that are bad.
Yeah.
So the more you're training the body to do that, then it's like, just change the skill to this. So it's like a primer. So you're training the power and speed. So when you get the dumbbell out, all right, you're already switched on to punching it, but it all comes from here.